In this video, we are going to look at how we can install OpenCode on our Mac. So if you are going to visit this opencode.ai website, this is the official website, you are going to find some options. There are actually two. First one is you can install this by the terminal version. You can already see the commands you need to use. So you can go with this curl command, or if you have Node, you can go with the npm, or you can also use brew. This is the first way how you can install this, and the second one is you can install this new desktop app which they have. So if you click on this download now, it should redirect you to this page where you can basically choose your operating system. So if you have applesilicon chip, you can go with this button. You can also go with the Intel. So I'm gonna go with this. I will click on download and it's going to start downloading your DMG file. And after the file is downloaded, we have to extract it. So you will basically drag it to your applications folder. You can also see some OpenCode extensions. So you have VS Code, Cursor, etc. extensions over here. You can also see GitHub integration, and now it's finished. So I can double click on it. And here we go. I'm gonna drag it to applications. Now it's going to install. And after installation, you can find it in your applications and you can basically open it. So I'm going to open it. I can close this. And this is how it's going to look. So firstly, we'll see this window where you can open your project if you have one. So since I don't have any project, I can basically create new folder and I can add this as a project and it's going to open this interface. So here you can create a Git repository, and on the left side you can see the chat. So if you click on this bigpickle, you can choose from the models. So you can go with the bigpickle. This is not a bad model. It allows text, reasoning, and context limit is 200,000. So for example, if I want to use images or create videos, you can use this qwen 3.6, and that's it. All right, so then you have build or plan mode. So in the build mode there is like no planning step, so it will start doing tasks or work immediately, like writing code or editing files. So this might be better to use for some kind of small tasks or quick fixes. And the plan mode will create a plan before making any changes. So this is going to be better for the higher tasks. If you want to change some kind of settings, you can click on this gear icon over here, and here you can see some general settings like language. So you also have theme, so you can basically change theme of your interface. So I can make it like more like this, more darker. All right, then you have shortcuts, so you can customize it how you want. You can add your own shortcuts or use the shortcuts over here. And in the providers, you can connect providers like, for example, Anthropic. So you can have access to Claude models like Pro or Max. So if you click on connect, you just need to paste your Anthropic API key. You can also do that with, for example, OpenCode Zen. Under providers, you should see the models. So you can see all of the models here, and you can turn them and turn off from this menu. And this is the first way. So this is how you can install OpenCode using app. So if you go back, you can also see that we can use this OpenCode terminal. So I can copy this curl code. I'm gonna open quickly terminal in my Mac, right? And I'm gonna just paste it here. So Command plus V, press enter. And now it's going to install this terminal version. So now we can reopen a new terminal. And we can type OpenCode to start it. And now it should open this terminal, as you can see. We can try it if it is working. I can say hey, and you can see your session over here, your tokens used. So you can see we spent nothing on this. If you want to change something, you want to press dash, and here you can see like agents, You can rename session, a new session, skills. You can change theme. You can add the previous message. You can also find some options if you press this Control P, Control plus P, and you can see some other options as well, or commands. So let's say if you want to switch a model, you need to use this shortcut Control plus X M. So I'm going to close this with escape. You can see we are using currently bigpickle model. I'm going to press Control X M, and here you can see all of the models. So for example, I want to choose this Minimax. I can use it, and now we are using this Minimax 2.5. And this is going to be all for this video. So this was just a quick video how you can set this OpenCode on your Mac. So there are two ways. You can use the terminal version or this app. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.